YouthCOP Cymru 2025.
I've been meeting with hundreds of young people who've come here to tell us what we should do next on climate change, and the focus has been very much on deforestation. And my goodness, they have some great ideas.
Rydw i eisiau cyfarfod pobl sydd yn mal ma amgylchedd yn bwysig fel fi.
We should stop deforestation because it's making us habitats for the animals and that's their home.
And it's affecting the Guarani and Indigenous people.
It took me 4 hours to get to visit the Guarani, and for 4 hours all I saw were fields upon fields upon fields of soy.
Soy is the second biggest cause of deforestation worldwide and is mainly grown in the south of America. We become soy suspects to find out who or what is eating all the soy, and we're shocked to discover that it is mainly being fed to our farm animals like chickens, pigs and cows. Eating meat, dairy and animal products means that we might be eating the red and soy without knowing it.
Sadly, the deforestation caused by brewing soy is having a terrible impact on the Guarani. They are losing their forest home, rivers are being poisoned, animals are dying and children are becoming sick.
When I went to Brazil, I took a tablecloth that children from across Wales had drawn on. They'd written symbols about Wales and solidarity between the Guarani and the Welsh people. And I presented that to a community in the Guarani village, and the children loved it. They also then signed messages, and I've taken that back here to Wales.
I have learned more about how the farmers in Wales and the UK operate, or how they are trying to be proactive.
So imagine if the food you eat could also be great for the environment, nature and your health.
It was 10 years ago when I made that decision to move away from soil, move away from chemical nitrogen, move away from all these things that were hindering my environmental targets.
You can demonstrate an alternative way of relating yourself with food.
Roedd ni wedi creu pizza a roedd ni wedi cynrychioli cwmnïau fel Fair Trade creu pizza ni, a roedd ni gwneud fel caws organic a pethau fel hynna I creu pizza ni yn da I amgylchedd.
Wel, I ni fel Castell Hywel, ni sy'n cyflenwi bwyd i'r rhan fwy o'r ysgolion yn De Cymru. Felly ni wedi bod yn cydweithio gyda Size of Wales ers rwy 2-3 mlynedd, a ni'n deall bod yn dyletswydd gyda ni a cyfrifoldeb nawr I treial cael bwyd sydd yn bach mwy teyrngar i'r amgylchedd.
The part of today that I most enjoyed was giving our speech about our journey on becoming deforestation-free champions.
The solutions for beef and soy are the same. Eat a bit less meat and the best quality you can afford. Eat more beans, legumes and pulses for protein.
Make Wales a deforestation-free nation!
I've been inspired today by the young people.
Sometimes we don't give the children the credit that they're due.
They've done a lot of work to think about this issue and what we can do to change things for the better in Wales and around the world.
Young people are leading the way in saying it's not good enough and we want to demonstrate change.
The future's in good hands and we just need to support them and give them the best opportunity to act on what they've learned today.
Kids are decision makers now. We told the politicians clearly, no more deforestation. We want food that's better for us and the planet.